Guys, in this video I will be unboxing this Xiaomi Redmi 5 and hope you enjoy this unboxing. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi 5. So as you can see behind the box, we have got 5.7 full screen display, LED selfie light, Snapdragon 450 and 3500 mAh battery. And I have taken the 3GB 32GB version, which is black, and there are many more variants here. So yeah, let's not waste, there is nothing to see anything on the box right now. It's all a simple box. So now let's not waste any more time and get this out of the package. And this is very exciting. Alright, so one more thing I tell you about this mobile phone is that I got this variant in 10,000 rupees, and there are many more variants, so you can check them out from the link in the description. And here you go, the packaging is off and right there. Now let's just take the thing out of the box. Guys, I got a bit of a problem taking this cap or whatever you say it off, because there is an extra seal right there. And here's the package basically, and we've got I think this is the cover, but we're not going to be seeing the cover right now. So that's the cover, and here is the mobile itself. Now I'm going to be keeping it on the cover, and right now we are not going to be seeing it and not doing anything on the mobile phone. But let's see what all things that we've got inside this package. So here we have got basically many manuals. As you all know, there are many manuals in boxes of phones. So here is a safety instruction or something like that, which tells you about the phone. And yeah, that's all right now. Next thing is another safety manual, or whatever you say that. Another safety thing right there. Yeah, so if you want to see it, although anyways, now we have the cable of the charger, obviously the USB cable, and we have got the charger, and it mentioned it was a fast charger, but this is a normal charger. So as you can see, now we will come back to the mobile phone. Alright, so let's keep all this aside and let's come back to the main attraction, which is the mobile phone. And also we have got a SIM ejector in the box somewhere, but I'm not seeing that right now. So here it is. The mobile phone looks very good in design. In terms of design, it's really good, but we'll see how it's good in function or not. So you can take this peel off, but I'm not doing that right now. So let's just go ahead and turn this phone on, and you've got a fingerprint sensor on the back, and many people say that it is a very responsive fingerprint sensor, but we're going to check that in a while. So it's turning on, and that's going to take a bit of a time. So as you can see, it has got a curved glass, and I really like this design. It has got a new 18:9 screen ratio. So let's see how that looks. And this curved glass definitely looks very interesting and very good. So here it's turned on, as you can see, and it says MIUI 9. There you go. It says choose a language, and I'm going to be choosing my language, which is English. Yeah, so there you go. And you can choose other languages also if you want. Whatever languages you want, you guys can choose. Then choose your region, and this is basically doing all the setup and stuff like that. So we're gonna just complete the setup in a while. Alright, there you go. So it's starting up, and choose keyboard. Alright, so this is all the settings that you have to do. I'm gonna choose the normal keyboard and Google Index keyboard. Let's move ahead. Alright, so connect to a network. Guys, so I'm just gonna complete all the settings and come back. Alright, so here is all the setup complete and it's just starting up, as you can see, and I think that that's gonna take some time, so let's wait for it to start up. So this took a bit of a time and I had to trim the video, and as you can see, here are the apps and the normal opening screen and the normal wallpaper, as you can see, and it has got a full screen display, and maybe there would be a setting to remove these buttons which you're seeing down there, but right now we are not doing that. And you can see this, I really like the battery sign somehow, because that looks really interesting. And here is the notification bar. Alright guys, so I believe that in terms of looking and in terms of working, this would be a good mobile phone. That's it for this video. Comment down below, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. To subscribe to my channel, click on my face right now and hit the bell icon also, and click on the left to see my last video and click on the right to see another video.